How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I was fine. Could you tell me yesterday class because I didn't come in this yesterday class?
Okay, I tell this, but why you didn't come yesterday?
Yesterday I went my home. That time my mother called. That time I go my home. That's why I didn't join the class.
Oh, okay. But it's not good because every class important.
Yes.
So you lost your previous lesson some. So I tell some thing. Yesterday, sir has given a topic. This topic is a model. So
Okay.
sir gave a pure model. It's like can, could, would, should. Then now will. I think you don't know this topic. So
Yes.
I just some explain this. Can means para and presentability. Could means partam. It's past stability.
Okay.
Should means uchit and advice. Explain this.
Okay. So thank you for teaching me, and I think in next time I never miss the class.